Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hello and a warm welcome. On behalf of Mahindra World City, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome one and all to MCL, the Quiz League. Today we have amongst us six wonderful teams from six wonderful companies joining us to play the first semi-final round. From here onwards, we'll take top two teams who will qualify to play the grand finale, which is going to be hosted sometime later. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have an elaborate lineup of 24 people, and then myself, Gautam Bose, your quiz master for the day. So we are going to have a cracker of a contest. I can assure you that. Without wasting any more time, let's straight dive into the quiz. These are the rounds that we have for you today. Launchpad, Incredible India, and The Grid. I'll explain each round to you as we come to it, but to start off with, we'll start with a round which I logically call the Launchpad. All right, ATCS, the next direct question will be for you. Here comes your question on the screen. From the world of cuisine, there are two possible origins to the name of this kebab. So the answer is the name of a kebab. One is derived from the Pashto word for flat, which alludes to the kebab's light, round, and flattened texture. The other theory says that it is derived from the local word for sandals, implying the average shape and size of the kebabs, which resembles that of a front part of the sandal's sole. What is the name of this kebab that is also popularly called Peshwari kebab? So Peshwari kebab is the other name of this kebab. What is its more common name?
Chapli kebab.
Chapli kebab. ATCS, I am assuming you are from the city of Jaipur, is it? ATCS?
Yes.
Okay, so do you get this kebab in your city? The Chapli kebab?
Haven't encountered it yet. So
you haven't encountered it yet, but might I suggest please do taste it. Lucknow as a city serves up some wonderful chapli kebab. So well done, ATCS. They seem to be on a roll. Let's clap for ATCS once again. They pick up another 10 points on their direct. Here comes the answer on the screen. Chapli kebab, also known as the Peshwari kebab. NITPro, a quick heads up to you. Please try and answer within your stipulated time frame, which is roughly about 10 to 15 seconds. Okay. All the best to you, NITPro. Here comes your question. From wildlife. But look at the picture because the answer could be hidden in the picture itself. The picture is very important. Marutus is a spider genus of the family of jumping spiders. These spiders are commonly referred to as dash due to the male's colorful and usually iridescent patterns on the upper surface of its abdomen, often enhanced with lateral flaps or bristles, which they display during courtship. So what is the other more common name of this spider species? You don't have to know the answer. Just look at the picture, how it looks. Hence, it gets its name. What is the other more common name of the Maratus spider? It's very colorful, isn't it, NITPro?
Peacock.
Absolutely correct, NITPro. Well done. This looks like peacock. So these are the peacock spiders. The last question of the quiz is a direct for team number 6, Global Stones. ये रहा आपका सवाल. All right, this is the question. About 91 kilometers from Indore, this town lies on the north bank of the Narmada River. It was the capital of the Malwa during the Maratha Holkar dynasty reign till 6th of January 1818. When the capital was shifted to Indore by Malhar Rao Holkar III, which important city, a very famous sari, originates from this place near Indore. What is the name of this particular city or place? It's a direct question for team number 6. Let's hear
Maheshwar.
them. Maheshwar. And Global Stones, just out of curiosity, could you tell me the name of the sari? Sari ka naam kya hai jo Maheshwar se aati hai? That's not important for giving you points, but of course, come on, Global Stones. Maheshwar said Maheshwari sari hi aayegi, right? Maheshwar and Maheshwari saris. Here comes the answer on your screen. Please clap loudly for Global Stones. Awesome answer there coming from them. They get their 10 points. As we quickly dive into the final round of this exciting quiz. I call this round the grid. The rules of this round are as follows. 9 topics or 9 subjects will be flashing on your screens. All teams, one at a time, will be asked to choose their favorite topic. On the direct, the scoring pattern is plus 10 points, but on the pass, the same question carries 15 points. It's a plus 10 on a direct or a plus 15 on the pass. So those are the only rules to be followed. And all of you now know this is a hotly contested finale round as expected, looking like India, Pakistan, Australia tri-series, or better still, looks like a cricket World Cup. Let's see which team goes on to win the quiz. Now it's time for the home team. Home team, choose wisely. What is going to be your choice?
We'll go with brands.
I thought so. I thought so. Here is your question on brands and make good use of it. Which celebrity launched a vegan and cruelty-free cosmetics brand named Horse Laboratories in 2019?
It's Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga is what you say. Team number 5 and Anurag, are you a fan of Lady Gaga? Do you listen to her music?
My colleague listens here.
Your colleague, all right. All right, but you also should listen because she is an awesome singer. Ladies and gentlemen, please clap for MWCJ. They are absolutely right. This is the incredible Lady Gaga. Now then, on to the prizes. Mind you, the prestige of winning the quiz is all important. Whether you win, you lose, that's all part of the game, and that's inconsequential if you ask me. But I have to perform my duty. Here comes the final scores of this quiz. Team ATCS, they end the quiz on 30 points. Maxop end the quiz on 20 points. Infosys also end the quiz on 20 points. Manu Yantrale end the quiz on 35 points. Team Mahindra or MWCJ, they are the first runners-up of the quiz. They end the quiz on 40 points. Let's clap for them. They are the first runners-up of the quiz, which means only one thing, that the winner of this quiz is team number 6, Sandhar. They end the quiz on 45 points, and a huge round of congratulations and applause from my end to Team Sandhar. Very well played, and thank you so much. I have absolutely enjoyed presenting to you this quiz, and I already look forward to the second edition or season number 2 of the same quiz. Until then, as I always say, 2 things. Please keep smiling, and whether you are in a contest or otherwise, always be inquisitive and keep quizzing. This is me, your Quizmaster Gautam Bose, signing off for the day. Until we meet again, it's bye-bye from me.